Hi guys, good evening. How are you doing? Hi Kelvin. Hi Ivan. Wow, Ivan, you're CV on Ivan. Hi Kelvin. Hi Sky. Wow. Hi Kelvin. All right. Okay. Hi Kosai. Yeah. Good evening, Ivan. Yeah, I'm still having a bit of sore throat, but it's getting better now. Yeah, for over a weekend, having a bit of under the weather. Okay, guys. Without further ado, okay. Just make a quick recap for. Okay, so all right. I mean, it's very sad to hijack. Very sad to see that something's happening on the Las Vegas right now. I mean, hope it doesn't happen. I have no idea how can he bring this kind of very powerful weapon, in the crowd, because I mean, there's a big problem in the security already, right? I mean, that he can kill this amount of people. I mean, I'm very sad for that. Okay, let's do some market analysis here. Okay, I mean, for our inner cycle guys, you guys are roughly already informed, so it's okay. For our general public guys, right? Okay, as you can see, we will be busy. This week gonna be a busy week. Okay, this week gonna be a busy week. First of all, tomorrow we have as you can see from here, tomorrow, let me see, tomorrow we have our RBA rates statement coming. So I think in terms of data release, right, I think tomorrow is going to be one of the biggest one, for of course for the Aussie dollars, right? Then the rest are more of so-called like appearance or speeches, right? Please keep in mind, we have Janet Yellen will be speaking on late Wednesday, early Thursday. At the same time, Draghi will be speaking as well. So in my opinion, Tuesday and so-called late Wednesday will be a very impactful. Maybe Thursday, maybe they will sort of like take a slow-mo move, and they will pick things up again in the Friday, because we have an NFP on Friday. Of course, for our guys, you know where to look for. We will have a live trading. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so just to recap, so we gonna be very busy week. So this week is week number 40, right? Week number 41. I'm not going to go through the next week, but if you look ahead, you can see that it will be pretty quiet week compared to this week. So I think this week gonna be a big one now, right? They're gonna move a lot. Okay, so let's do some analysis. Okay, I do not want to have so much analysis here, okay, because time to time I will post my analysis in my trading view, so you guys can see it time to time. But so I want to go through something that a little bit, I mean, things are that important. Okay, so let's talk about Aussie at the moment. In my opinion, Aussie dollars is very much priming for a next big move. Very likely that they are going to go down lower. Of course, being today is not really nothing big for Aussie yet. So like they try to break it down, but they fail so far. So I think by tomorrow come this level, which level am I talking about? Around 0.7790 or 0.78 level will be so-called retest again one more time, and likely that they will get breakdown this time, because in my opinion, Aussie dollars is pretty bearish to me. So of course, I mean, I'm not blindly bearish for sure. I'm also looking at this level quite closely. Very likely that they will be broken, possibly by tomorrow, as soon as tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. Okay, once they broken down, I think things will move pretty fast. All right, then they will go down to as low as 0.76707680 level pretty fast. So it's like around 100 points move down is very much possible. So pretty much I'm still on the bearish side of Aussie dollars. For this case, it's Aussie US dollar at the moment. Okay, so it's like let's see how it goes, because being an Aussie is I mean, under the highlight this week, I am monitoring it quite closely. All right, okay, then more importantly, I would like to go through another one is Aussie, and okay, another one is called US dollar CHF. Okay, okay, doesn't have to be US dollar CHF. Okay, can be Euro CHF, all this kind of thing as well. But okay, for the time being, I will use the US dollar CHF as an example, which is not a really good example, by the way. But I mean, currently, let me use that one. Let me use this one, right? So In my opinion, CHF is just like JPY. I am seeing a very likely case of strengthening. Strengthening mean like a potential pair like Euro CHF, GBP CHF, you know, or even Canadian CHF. Okay, they were likely to go down lower and lower. Of course, the out of them, the least one will be of course US dollar CHF lah. But okay, I am using this as an example here. So please careful on the CHF pairs. I think in my opinion it's likely that they will go down lower. So let's see how it goes, because CHF is just like a, you know, just like a JPY pair. The likelihood of going down, likelihood of strengthening, CHF strengthening mean those CHF pairs will be going down, yeah, because see, you know, it's SSX CHF, isn't it? So it's like likelihood of going down is getting higher and higher. So I will be watching it on the CHF pair as well. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, Dow Jones. All right, let's talk about Dow Jones a little bit here. Okay, Dow Jones at the moment, we, you know, of course, as much as I would like it to be very bearish, but you know, at the moment we have nothing much really to be bearish about. Okay, look at the last week. What we can see that is, look at the last week candle. They are the push-up candle with a very nice so-called strongly looking pin bar, sort of like a pin bar. So very likely that it will go up higher, in my opinion. So it's like you know, there's no way for me to say it's bearish at the moment. Okay, so it's like if you are totally bearish on the point of view, please don't short at the moment. Okay, you may get it at the highest level, but the chance of you getting it wrong also very high. Okay, so please do not short at the moment. I think Dow Jones may go up higher. Okay, apparently this is something to do with some sort of fundamental as well, because you know, as you know, recently Euro got a lot of problem, all this kind of thing. You know, people do not know where to put their money. Simple, you know, you want to make money out in the market, you must it's better to know where the majority of money are shifting into. Okay, so to me, in my opinion, at the moment they are shifting into stock market, especially US stock market, in my opinion. Of course, US stock market, it should reflect other stock market as well, for sure. But even I mean, overall, I think the stock market is at the moment is pretty bullish for me at the moment. Not only in terms of technical, it's from the fundamental as well. If there is any changes, of course, I will let you guys know in advance lah. Market doesn't really I mean, crash all the way down within 1 week, right? They will start to show some signs and stuff like that. So if that happen, I will inform you guys. So at the moment, I'm not seeing so much to be bearish about on the Dow Jones at the moment yet. Okay, also quite similar to Singapore Straits Times Index as well. Please do not short anything unnecessarily at the moment. Okay, so okay, let me continue a few more. Okay, there are a few more important things that I would like to point out as well. Okay, talk about Euro here, guys. In my opinion, Euro is in a little bit in for a pretty much trouble as well, similar to Aussie. All right, just now you remember, if you look at the Aussie thingy here, Aussie post, you will notice that, you know, they are at the support level already. You see, okay, here 1, 2 support level. That's why they are a little bit slowing down for a time being. Okay, slowing down for a time being doesn't mean that they are going to bounce up all the way up. I think it's very unlikely. So being a so-called bearish person on the Euro, what I'm going to do is that I will like even happier to see let them go bounce to, you know, to hit the pretty nice swing level like 1.1910, 1.1920 level. That will be even better for me, you know, right? Because, you know, being a person that looking for a sell, I mean, I would rather like to sell at the higher price, isn't it? So that the more after that they go lower, I can make more money out of it, right? So I will even prefer to see the swing. But at the moment, I think sooner or later, just like Aussie, they are going to break it down soon already. So same thing, I'm also quite bearish on Euro USD as well. Okay, and last but not least, okay, today I would like to make it short, okay, because I mean, the points are, I think, being put across already. All right, so last but not least, I want to talk a little bit about gold. Okay, I've been telling about gold bearishness for quite a while. I've been telling not to buy in, stay with the patient for quite a while, right? So I think it's I mean, thanks to that, hopefully you are not losing money from the long side here, or even you make money from the short side, because you see, there are a lot of people, especially around here, which is around when the price is above 1,300, it so-called attract a lot of public attention, right? Because of the newspaper or, you know, internet website or whatever, you know, go above 1,300 again, a lot of people are caught attention, and, you know, most likely they were, you know, likely to buy in lah, right? So what is happening right now is actually nothing rather than the shakeout is happening. happening right now. So in my opinion, I will be looking to possible long somewhere around 1260, 1265 level or 1255 level. So I have no hurry at all. I have to say again, I have no hurry at all. I would like to let it to go, go lower and lower, right? I think eventually around 1265 or 1255 they will show some sort of like interest from I'm expecting to see right? I'm expecting to see some sort of bull interest coming in again. Okay, so far this is a weekly chart, by the way. We are stay in the very much on the downtrend, pullback in this case. So please be careful when you're looking for a long at the moment, okay? Because in my opinion, they can go down a little bit more, and possibly soon then they will be, they will be being pushed back or whatever. So at the moment, I'm chill on this guy at the moment. So okay, I think that's about it for today. So you remember, if you watch back my last week video, I was talking about the bearishness of euro. So if you compare the early last week and this week, okay, let's see. Hang on. If you compare early last week and what I said, and you see end of last week, actually is very good, right? It really turned out to be true. And I also talking about the bearishness of Aussie dollar. So you can see that the Aussie also, they did sell down. So like I said, they are already at the, I repeat a little bit one more time, they are already at the swing level. So it's normal for us to see some sort of like some opposing force coming in to push it up. So I think tomorrow maybe a trigger, very likely. I think they will go down lower. Okay, so it's trading is all about probability. Of course, there is no such thing as 100%. So you need to, of course, you need to deploy all this kind of risk management, all this kind of technique as well, because there is no such thing as 100%. Okay, so thank you for watching, and of course, I'm back. You can if you like my video, please like, give me a heart shape, or share my video. Okay, so I will try to do it weekly, every Monday. In meanwhile, is there any new development coming in, I will be uploading the video as well. So have a good week ahead, and I'm very sorry for the people who have to die in Las Vegas. All right, bye for now. Thank you very much.